Savage Tech Comica RGB Umic in all this RGB glory. Let's dive in this wood. All right, let's get this baby turned around correctly. There we go. Nice. That's beautiful. Professional studio quality. RGB Umic comes with a 16mm gold-plated condenser mic design and a 48 kilohertz, that is 24-bit high sampling rate that precisely reproduce every detail of your voice. Get clear sound when gaming, streaming, recording, vocals, music, or even lectures. It also comes with a 10-year anniversary stand. Happy 10-year anniversary, Comica. Here you have some stickers. I'm sure that's the main one. Let's dive in this box. What? I can't get in this thing fast enough. Nothing there, but I tried. All right. Tear this pack. Here we have USB-C to USB-C, and with an adapter that's included USB-A. There you go. This plug and play PC gaming microphone is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, Chrome OS, and Raspberry Pi OS system for phones, computers, PS4, PS5, Xbox, etc. Make sure you charge the RGB battery via the USB-C port before using with your iPhone. The iPhone's power supply can't handle the RGB light, so you need to charge it in advance. This baby is beautiful. Let's dive in a little more with this RGB goodness. By the way, this is the mic I'm using right now for this entire video. Let's jump into it. All right, so you have a few buttons on the back. Okay. And you can change your RGB mode with that button right there. It comes with 7 kinds of unique RGB effects and charging status. I mean, wake up and go savage. Look at all that RGB glory right there. Right there. Good job, Comica. I'm loving this more and more, and the sound is great. So right here you have your game wheel, and right there you have your reverb effect, and then you have your RGB effect. Okay. And that's your USB-C input, your 3.5mm TRS input, and that's your USB-C charging port for your RGB glory. Yes, when you're using a microphone with your iPhone or what have you. And as you can see, that mic tilts. It also rotates almost 360 degrees. So I mean, you have option when it comes to that. Now, what I would have liked to seen is some kind of pop filter on there. And that's your mounting hole for your boom arm right there. Okay. and you push that on. Red means off. Okay, and that light on the side, that's for your RGB indicators. This is your stand, your desk stand, and the bottom is padded, and also the inside is padded, slip-free padding. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Man, this thing is gorgeous. Comica Umic RGB glory at its finest. You know what to do. Thanks for all the support, all the likes, comments. Thank you, Comica, for giving me a chance to review this microphone. Sad. Out.